And I was watching his video the other day, and he's talking about how our mind is always paying attention to everything on the outside, everything on the outside. Right. So how do we get the mind to pay attention to the inside? Meditate. Well, when we're trying to meditate, we're aware of all of this tension, all this uncomfortable feeling inside. So what do? Meditate some more. Well, if it was that easy, everybody would just put their eyes closed and start meditating. It's not that easy. So that's why we need to make meditation easier. It's really easy to meditate when we are feeling calm in our body and our mind is not racing. Then we just close our eyes and we can bring our awareness into our body. But if we are feeling agitation and we're feeling the stress, we're feeling it, that is the time that people are actually meditating. That's what they really need it. They need to let go of it. How do you let go of it? You can't go ahead and just close your eyes and try to let go of it. It's so intense. Most people are going to fail at it. The people that can accomplish it, they are already at a certain development in their ability to connect to themselves. But what about the rest of the people out there? What about the people out there like myself before that couldn't meditate for more than a couple minutes because it felt like eternity? How do we help them? How do we help the average Joe out there that can't meditate, that can't stay calm? That is what flow training is doing. It's helping all of those people. Because at the end of the practice, every practice, at the end of it, we all sit there and we meditate. But by the time that we're meditating, we already feel very calm. We already feel very relaxed. We let go of all of the tension already. That's the difference.